In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery out in a Snapper YT400. Well, this is pretty much the same mower as the Simplicity Conquest. This mower had to be sitting for over 2 years. The battery is totally shot. I'm going to show you how to pull it out, replace it, get this mower running again. You're going to want to locate the negative cable, and you're going to want to take off the negative cable first. After the negative cable's off, go ahead and remove your positive cable. And then to remove the battery, there's a rubber strap going around the battery that's fit inside this groove. Just simply pull up on the rubber strap. You can leave it in the other side or completely remove it. It's up to you. I'll remove this entire battery strap. And once the battery strap is removed, you can slide the battery slightly forward, tip it up at a slight angle, and then you're going to pull it out through the side. Now here's the new battery, and there's the part number. You just want to make sure that your new battery has at least 230 cold crank amps. This is a pretty big motor. And you want to make sure your positive is going to be on the right side of the tractor. I'll go ahead and slip this one into position. And now as the battery's in place, you're going to want to go ahead and put on the battery strap. Once the battery strap is secure, you're going to go ahead and connect the positive cable. And last, go ahead and tighten down the negative cable. Any protective terminal caps, go ahead and slide those back over and top of the terminals. And close up the hood. And after you've started up your tractor and it runs fine, you can consider this job complete. Congratulations on swapping out the battery in your own lawnmower. Saved yourself some time and money by not taking it to the dealer. Hopefully this video was helpful and informational to you. If you liked it, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.